Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable parental control on Samsung Galaxy S24. So you have to start with opening your settings application and then scroll down and enter Google tab. Now click on parental controls and then click get started and then select child or teenager, then click next and now click on add or create account for your child. Now you have to enter your child's email address. And now you have to enter your child's password. Now click I agree. Now scroll down and click accept. And now you have to select your account. And you have to enter your parent email. And now you have to enter your parent password. Now you have to scroll down and here you have to enter your child password again. And now click on next. Now click scroll down and click next. Now click next again. And here you can click on install family link or you can click skip and then you can install this app manually. And now you can click on review controls and now your parental control is set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.